Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel where we break down complex topics into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're tackling a common query. How do I withdraw USDT from Binance to my bank account in 2025? Whether you're a beginner looking to cash out your earnings or an experienced trader managing your portfolio, this guide will walk you through the process safely and efficiently. Let's dive right in. First off, before you start, ensure your Binance account is fully verified. This step is crucial for security and to meet regulatory requirements. Head over to the verification section in your account settings and complete any pending KYC processes. Once that's done, log into your Binance app or website. Step 1. Navigate to your wallet. Here, you'll see your USDT balance. Since USDT is a stablecoin, you can't directly withdraw it to a bank account. So, the first real step is to convert your USDT to a fiat currency like USD. Go to the Trade or Convert section, select USDT, and exchange it for your preferred fiat option. Step 2. After the conversion, head to the Fiat and Spot wallet. Look for the Withdrawal option. Select your fiat currency, say USD, and choose your bank account as the destination. You'll need to enter your bank details accurately. Double-check everything to avoid delays. Step 3. Review the withdrawal details, including any fees. Binance typically charges a small fee for fiat withdrawals, and processing times can vary from instant to a few business days. Hit Confirm, and you'll likely need to enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, for added security. Once submitted, keep an eye on your transaction status in the Binance app. It might take some time to reflect in your bank account, so be patient. Remember, always withdraw to a bank account you control and never share your sensitive info. In summary, withdrawing USDT involves converting it first and then transferring fiat. It's straightforward but requires caution. If you run into issues, Binance's support is usually helpful. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.